our talks. I have recently published a new book on criminal psychology. You may have some doubts now. What is criminal psychology? Why should I learn? What are the benefits for me? Let me clarify the first doubt about criminal psychology. Criminal psychology is the study of the thoughts, feelings, intentions, and behaviors of criminals. Criminal psychology explores which individuals commit crimes by examining their thoughts, emotions, motives, and actions. For instance, researchers might investigate how childhood experience influences someone to engage in criminal behavior, or they may analyze the psychological factors behind a person's decision to commit a specific crime, such as theft or violence. Some people come under the category of narcissistic personality disorder. In short, we are saying NPD. They have extreme self-love. They torture others for pleasure. They always make others' life like a hell. If you are in a marriage relation or in a romantic relation with a narcissistic personality, beware. At the beginning of the relations, they behave very well like an ideal person. People easily attracted to their fake personality like fishes move into the net. In this book, I explained one real incident. Once, a law graduate girl went to a tour to a hill station with her friends. Let us call her Anne. There Anne met a sweet guy, Jack. Jack was very funny and handsome guy. They became friends easily. Their friendship later turned into a romantic relation. Due to family objection, Anne ran away from the home to marry Jack. The true color of the Jack's personality revealed after the marriage. Jack tortured Anne without any reason. After 6 months of troubled marriage life, Anne met a psychologist and shared the behavior of the Jack. Psychologist diagnosed that Jack's personality came under the narcissistic personality disorder. Later, Anne came out of the house with her daughter and filed divorce petition. Some people are born criminals. Example, psychopaths. They can commit any crime without any regret. They don't have any empathy for others. Your pain or misery never disturb them. Another type of criminals are sociopaths. They become criminal because of the influence of the environments. By understanding these psychological aspects, experts aim to develop strategies for crime prevention, rehabilitation, and effective law enforcement. This book introduces a concept of behavioral analysis, a crucial tool for predicting and preventing criminal activities. Whether you are walking down the street or hiring an employee, this knowledge can be applied in various real-life situations. It is believed that more than 95% of the crimes could be prevented if the warning signals were accurately diagnosed and acted upon. Learning criminal psychology is beneficial for several reasons. Let me point out 7 benefits. First benefit is person safety awareness. Understanding criminal psychology helps you become more aware of potential threats and risky situations, empowering you to make informed decisions to safeguard yourself and your loved ones. Second benefit is crime prevention strategies. Insights from a criminal psychology book can provide practical tips and strategies to prevent falling victims of crimes, enhancing your overall safety in various environments. Third benefit is home security enhancement. Learning about criminal behavior allows you to assess and improve the security of your home, implementing measures that align with the psychological patterns of the potential criminals. Fourth benefit is travel safety precautions. Knowledge in criminal psychology can be valuable when traveling, helping you recognize and avoid situations that might make you vulnerable to crime in unfamiliar surroundings. Fifth benefit is personal safety. The psychology of criminal behavior can enhance your situational awareness, aiding in the development of effective personal defense strategies if you faced with threatening situations. Sixth benefit is community safety advocacy. Armed with insights from a criminal psychology book, you can actively contribute to community safety by raising awareness, promoting crime prevention initiatives, and collaborating with the local authorities. Seventh benefit is educating others. Share the knowledge gained from the book with friends and family, helping a collective understanding of safety practices and promoting a safer environment for others in your community. Criminal Psychology, Master Your Safety is a must read for anyone who wants to take care of safety into their own hands. You with knowledge to navigate the world more confidently. This book includes case studies that illustrate how criminal psychology can be applied in real life situations. By examining past incidents, you will gain valuable insights into the patterns and behavior of criminals. If you are interested in mastering your safety and understanding the criminal psychology, please check out the link in the description and grab your copy today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Author Talks to more insightful content, and hit notification bell so you never miss an update. So see you soon in the next video.